Thermocouple is the manufactured transducer for which the calibration is needed, while thermometer is the gold standard equipment prescribed by the National Meteorological Laboratory. So thermometer gives a value of temperature, thermocouple gives me a millivolt of EMF, thermo EMF we already have the temperature and EMF charts. Using that we can check whether the manufactured thermocouple is properly manufactured and calibrated to the existing gold standard thermometer. Okay. So what are some precautions that we need to, what are some things that we need to keep in mind when we are doing this process? So liquid bath is held in a thermally insulated tank provided with a sterile heating system. Standard thermometer is placed as close as possible to the thermocouple being calibrated without actually touching it, so that both the hot junction and the thermometer bulb are very close to each other. Liquid in the bath may be a water at 0 to 100 degrees, a mineral or crystal oil for temperature between 95 to 300, a molten. So these are different temperature or different heating substance that we use for calibration. For a limited range of temperature, the constant temperature bath method of comparison with a standard mercury thermocouple is best available method even for calibration of thermocouples and resistant thermocouples. While calibrating thermocouples, the bath must be electrically non-conductive. Otherwise, the EMF, the thermo EMF that I was speaking, that is generating between the hot and cold junction, will be a function of the surface temperature of the bath rather than the junction. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. So this is how in industries calibration is performed on a day-to-day basis. So they use the primary secondary standard as mentioned by the national authorities, that is National Meteorological Laboratory NML, and do the calibration, give the certificate, and they sell the product to the consumer. This consumer can be an industry. Okay, and that's it. Thanks.